new best friend.
Get off.
Come on, man. That's it. Had a real big weekend.
Fucking back again. Hang on. Alright, you. Fuck off. Relax the fuck. Come on, you. Get out of the way, the fuck.
I'm Sarah Forster. The third monkey stolen from the studio zoo south of Sydney has been reinvented.
Come on. Get out of here.
Jones is down 51.
Piss off. Will you shut up?
100.
Fuck off. Ah! Get off me.
Of scurvy.
I've had enough of you and your shit. Stay here. Fuck off. Aye. Piss off. Aye. That fairly shut you up, didn't it? Eat that. Fuck off when you're done. You singing? You want to touch myself? Go singing. Look, I know you want to go on holiday over Christmas. We can't afford it. Stop giving me shit. I'll take you away somewhere nice later on in the year. Just an update, folks. No matter what you do, you cannot keep birds quiet. All over me now. Must be sucking something. Stop it! Get out of the way. Safe? Go away. You're not getting it. No. Right, come on you. I've had enough of you. You give me shit all fucking day. Stop it. You're going up here. Get out. Don't come back. You're having a fucking laugh. Oh. Where are you? I don't know what to do anymore. Look, love, I don't think we're made for each other. It's not you, it's me. Leave me alone. Nah, can't get me now, can you? You. Listen, love. I'll speak to you when I'm home. I'm fucking working here. Leave me alone.